Um, Hello, Bhavin.
Hi.
Um, I want to present to you my full stack application spots for people who want to train consistently and keep like a friend honest about it. So you can log workout sessions like day exercise and sets, set PRs. And one of the unique thing about this is you can create these thing called packs, which is kind of weekly commitment between two people, and show and sort of post challenges as well, like 100 pushes a day. So I don't want to give too much about the application since as will be a usability study in which I'll be observing you. So to start off, what I want to say is thanks for helping him out. This will just take about 40 minutes. And point of the study is to really see where things kind of go confusing. So I'll give you some things to do, and I'll mostly kind of stay quiet while I kind of observe you work. So I need to ask for consent first. So I like to record your screen, voice, and camera so I can rewatch it and take notes. It's only for this class project; won't be shared publicly. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
So as you go, just say what you're thinking out loud and what you're looking for, like what you expect to happen when you click on something and anything that surprises you or isn't what you expected. And if you go quiet, I'll probably ask like, "What are you thinking?" That's all it. That's all it really kind of means. And I just want to remind you that you're not really being tested here. The app is. So if something's confusing, that's the problem with what I built, not with you. So you can skip anything or stop whenever you want. And most importantly, as you go through this, please put yourself in the shoes of someone who goes to the gym, which is sort of our target audience. So someone who like goes to the gym and wants to stay consistent, ideally with a friend, and like track their personal records. So before, and I want to just ask you some demographic questions. First, foremost, what is your age range? Are you under 18, 24, or 25 to 34?
25 to 34.
What's your gender? Or you could prefer not to say?
Male.
How often do you work out in a typical week?
Uh, 3 to 5 times a week.
Nice. Do you track your workouts now, like on a node, spreadsheet, paper, or you don't track at all?
I don't track at all.
Have you ever worked out with a partner or had someone keep you accountable?
Yes, I have.
And how comfortable are you trying out like a new website or app? Let's go 1 to 5.
Scale 1 to 5, like one being
One
less
not at all,
likely.
and five being very.
Usually a 3.
Okay, so just before you click anything, kind of look at this page and tell me kind of what you think the app does. So for that, first, I'll kind of want you to just register an account first. So go click on the register portion to see if that works. So set yourself an account first.
All right.
All right, yeah, just quickly just put some username, random email, and just any whatever your display name. All right. All right, so just log out real quick. I just wanted to check if the login is working for this application. So log out and try logging back in.
So there are no password checks. Not doing.
Okay, it worked out. Awesome. Now log out, and I'll be using a test account that's kind of ready made certain sessions and packs made already. So log out,
Okay.
and then I'll just type in real quick the thing test account. All right, so now you're in the dashboard page right now. So just tell me real quick, like initial impressions. Just like tell me what you think the app does and who you think it's for.
I'm not sure what a pact is. I've just logged in, logged out, so I'm not too quite sure what the point is here. But it looks like something with a
You can do
gym,
some quick
and then you can.
click throughs and stuff of the tabs, just get a quick feel.
Okay.
You're on the dashboard
So
page currently.
got it. I also come from a security background, so there was no spot checks on the passwords.
I
No
understand that,
minimum.
but this is for this app is mostly for users, not for thinking from engineering background. Just thinking as a target audience. If you're just like a casual gym goer,
Oh, okay.
so just kind of click through all the pages and tell me kind of what you think it's about the app. Uh, Go through the make a pact and log workout.
So lift to Larry, weekly target 3 gym sessions.
All right, do you have an initial impression?
Mm, Propose to squat green, so you make a pack. I'm still going through this. Initial impression, yeah. It looks like you can just log your workouts, and then you can just have a gym buddy, and it just logs all your stats based off all your sessions that you
Awesome.
had.
Awesome. Okay, let's go to now that you successfully registered an account and you've got a quick feel of the website. Let's go to the first task of logging a workout. So you just got back from the gym and you did a couple exercises, and one of them you kind of went heavier than you ever have. So let's sort of record that workout and add a note about how it went.
Okay. Do you want to use the spot demo account
Yeah,
or
no,
the
you're
account
using
that
this
I
account,
created?
so try logging a workout.
Okay. So I actually worked out chest today. So, I can type in exercise.
Yeah, just quickly just add in a couple exercises. Just very random. So we need to go through the task quick. All right. And you can just add like a short note right after, real quick.
You got it. Oh, okay. So do I have to? These notes are just overall notes, or
Yeah, it'll just be tied to that workout session. So no, you don't need to type a PR. That should ideally be shown. Just talk about just general notes about how you felt.
okay.
All right.
Do I need to add any more notes, or can I log a workout,
Um,
or add any more exercises?
Give me 1 second. You can just log the workout now.
Okay. Oh, I remember this.
Okay. Now, does that sort of correlate with what you've seen before? What you inputted?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it looks like you also noticed like a new PR badge there, right?
Correct.
Okay, now trying to review your history of the workouts. And then, so say you're curious about your progress. What's like the heaviest bench press you've ever done? So how would you just isolate kind of the only bench presses you've done? Where would you type that? Try to try filtering by your bench press.
Right here.
Yes.
So I would be able to see all the bench presses
Yeah,
that
all
I've
the bench
done.
presses you've done.
All right, that's awesome.
Say you realize one of your past workouts like a wrong weight on it. Fix it. Ideally, try to fix it in a way where you would see if if your PR would change. It would properly update your PR.
Now PR is updated, and with the capitalization, it looked like it went through.
Awesome. There's also seems to be a workout in here. Say you logged that you let log by mistake. Try to get rid of a workout.
Got rid of a workout. Okay. I don't really do overhead presses, so I'm gonna remove this. Looks like it opened. It updated.
How do you feel about that process so far?
It was fast and easy. No complications.
Okay. And try to see if you want to check a workout by certain dates, per se.
Got it. So if I want to do squat, uh, let's check. See my squat progress from last month. Uh, July.
A lot of the data only
First.
goes back 7 weeks, so see.
Okay.
But I mean,
Yeah.
does that seem to match up the dates wise?
July 4th, 6th, 14th, and 23rd. Yeah. That matches up.
Wow.
Wow, indeed. That's amazing and fast. Good job.
So you logged a workout, got the session in. So now what I want to do is understand what are the key differentiating aspects of this task, which is to create a pact. I want you to understand and accept what a pact is. So try understanding what a pact is in general. Where would you go to navigate that? Try navigating there.
To what a pact is?
No, to understanding the idea of a pact and what you can do
Oh,
with it. So kind of explore the page and see.
I would assume it would probably be make a pact. No, that doesn't give me too much information. Maybe on a profile. Oh, dashboard. Sorry. Um, I would say so. You have the packs on the dashboard. Anything that's proposed by you or proposed to you. So it looks like Squat Green wants to propose a pack to you with a weekly target of 4 gym sessions. I look at the details of this. Um, from here, it looks
The
like
weekly target. What is they saying? What are they saying?
a weekly target of 4. So it looks like you want 4 sessions per week. And I'm assuming based off this that a pact might be something that you create with another gym buddy where you guys try to actively hit that target based on what was proposed by the other person. And then any active packs that you may have or something that you have with another gym buddy regarding how many times you go through a gym, the current streak with that person, and then how many lifts you've done as opposed to what the other person has lifted. And this is tracked on a weekly basis, I'm assuming. So I would say the dashboard is where you would find what would help me find what a pact is. And then making a pact looks like you can search usernames or search your friends that you would want to make a pact with. Would you say
What
that
else? What
is
else?
accurate?
How do you check the status?
The status of the pact?
Yeah.
So it looks like there's tags on next to each pact, whether it's an active pact or something that's pending that's yet to be accepted. So I
Okay.
can most likely see it from the green active here, and then the yellow pending here, as well as the title and headers wherever it's being active, and then shows if it's proposed to you as if it's pending, and then anything proposed by you for any users that you want to make a pact with.
Okay. So first, try to let's try to now uh, accept the pact. It seems like somebody sent you a pact, so deal with it however you kind of want to. How do you want to deal with this pact?
I don't like to back out from a challenge,
Respect.
and I think squat queen seems like a worthy opponent. With 4 gym sessions per week, so I feel like it'd be disrespectful to decline it. So I'm gonna accept it. Uh, all right, now it's
All right.
active.
Awesome. You accepted it. Okay, so you accepted this pact. Now what's changed?
So now it looks like I don't have any more pending packs. And now that I accepted the pack of Squat Queen, it is now active. And this is really seamless with no delay.
So how do we figure out the details now of this new
The
pact?
detail
Yeah,
of
this.
the new pack.
Yeah,
Oh, so if I under Squat Queen in the weekly target, it looks like there's a hyperlink here that shows new details in progress. So if I click on that, it's gonna show me the new weekly target of 4 sessions per week, which aligns with what I would want. And then the current streak, so which is 0, which makes sense since I just accepted her pact or his or hers packs, their pact. And then you see the breakdown of this week.
Okay, nice. So you guys starting off with 0. You guys are saying how? What is the 4 meaning again? For what?
Four is the sorry, I had something.
It can
Four
be tough.
is
It can be tough. I
yeah.
understand.
Thank you. Thank you for understanding. What what are thank you. So 4 is the weekly target that we're hitting for gym sessions, right? So this is going to be 4 gym sessions per week, and that's the target we're hitting. All right.
Okay, so you accepted this from Squawk Queen. You saw the changes. You saw what happens if you view details. Now, what I want you to know is kind of I want to start with the pack someone new, not with Squawk Queen, right? You got a lot of other friends, right? And you two agreed to trade 3 times a week and keep each other honest somewhat, right? So let's try to do that. Try creating a pack someone new.
Try creating a pack with someone new. All
Yeah.
right. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. We're gonna hit make a pact, which I assume is the right page. Now you gotta search by username or display name. These don't look like right usernames. Can I search any name here, or do I have to? Do I know my friend's username? How about
I
you,
mean, if you
Khush?
don't
Do
need
you have
friends, you can try to search for one, whoever's in here. So, it's kind of like a regular thing, you type any letter or full word, see if that exists.
Okay, so it
So
looks like Khush isn't searching.
I think there's.
Uh, there,
I'm just observing.
okay.
Try typing one letter to check, maybe. Oh, nice. There's a lot of people. You may recognize one of these people.
Boxing Bow. Miss Boxing Bow. It's full ID. It's like Fiona. Bookie Rob. Oh, who's that? That's me. You know what? I'm gonna.
Try to
I
do with
think.
someone who's existing, since that was like a new account.
Oh, okay. So I gotta choose one of these guys. Me and Boxing Bow go way back, July 2026. Seems about right. Propose a pact with Boxing Bow. Uh, I thought I clicked on him.
Okay, so now what? You proposed this. Did you press?
Yeah, wait. Might be teams acting up. I think I spam clicked him. I could also do climb Clara.
Oh no, it shows up in the top. It seems like you have to scroll up.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me cancel it. The climb Clara because I don't really want to climb. I want to box.
Yeah. So do it with yourself. Actually, we can check later on how that if it pops up on your end. So do it with
I,
Bob.
I thought we were doing it with someone an existing user. It am I not the one that's using your app? So if you're giving me conflicting answers, then let me say. So it looks like you may have to fix something with Boxing Bow. So because I can't make a pact with them.
No, we just
And I really don't.
we just found out it's at the top. It shows up at the top.
You're right. Thank you. Thanks for. You did find that out. Thank you. I thought it would automatically jump me to the top, like it did with climb Clara, or Clara climbs.
That's a bit of an error in my part, so I'll note this for the study.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I think that would be really helpful for end users to understand who they're making a pact with, because they don't want to be making pacts with people they don't really know, or they're not as close as friends with.
Of course. So try proposing.
I'm not letting Boxing Bow take a rest. So we're gonna do a weekly target around all 7 days of the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a pact with him. Looks like now it took me back to the dashboard,
Oh, nice.
and now it shows the packs that was proposed by me. And now Boxing Bow. It looks like Boxing Bow has to accept my pact, and then shows me the pending state, which is nice. So he hasn't accepted yet. And if I want to go back to my word, I can delete it. But
Try deleting it. See if you can propose again.
I I don't want Boxing Bo to think I'm a chicken, you know. But you know what? You're right. I think 7 days a week is a lot, right? So let me delete it and go back on my word, which I would never do. Just for the record here, but I'm gonna delete it here. I'll be the bigger man.
You could have a fallout with Boxing Bow, you know?
You're right. You're right. So delete this pact proposal.
Oh wow, the entire page is free. It's an important decision.
It it seems like this is a crucial point in my relationship with Boxing Bo. So I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. Wow. Okay, so now the dashboard is updated with Boxing Bo's request of a pact with me to be to be moved through this page, and we're saying you want to try making a pact with Boxing Bo again. Is that the goal I'm trying to do, or am I trying to make a pact with someone else?
Up to you.
Oh, it's up to okay. All right. Let's now that I know how the search feature works, let's hit Boxing Bo. Burpee Bill.
So click on it. Quickly see if you're able to do it again, and maybe try a different number.
Yeah, I think you know what, I'm gonna give him a day of rest because you don't want these hands.
Recovery is important.
Recovery is key for a good
All
workout
right.
session. All right, so now we're gonna do 6 sessions,
Okay.
and okay, yeah,
So
please go on.
so far you've logged a workout, checked the history, checked the PR, you've created a pack, deleted one, accepted one. Now want to go to another key part of the application, which is, what do you think I'm gonna say?
If I want to edit and view the details of the pact that I made with Boxing Bo.
No, challenges. I'm talking about challenges. It's about taking on and posting a challenge. That's that's the key thing about it. So what we're gonna do is, let's see if anyone put up a challenge you could take on, get in on it. So now go check out what the challenges are.
Okay. Well, I would have never assumed that it was challenges. We never talked about challenges up until this point.
Understood. I thought it would be intuitive, but
Are you calling me that I'm not as intuitive as you?
definitely not. But that
That's
is not the
crazy.
focus of the study.
That's crazy to call out for someone who's taking the time to help, test this application. But you know
Okay,
what?
so
I'll let that
check the
slide.
page out. Tell me what you're noticing and seeing.
Okay, so these are all the challenges that you can have. Description: 100 push-ups a day. So, what this kind of entails, it looks like challenges that you would want to take up based off some users, and there's some dates on when the challenges start to when they end, and then how many days that you'd want to. It looks like you can post a challenge here, and then these are the open challenges where it shows what other people started. So it says walk 10,000 steps a day. So 50,000 steps in 5 days. Interesting. 50 pull-ups a day for 5 days. Wow.
Just scroll through the entire page. See what's happening.
So there's an accepted section and a done section. So it looks like an accepted section shows what challenges I accepted, and then the done challenges show which ones I've already completed. So with this demo user seems like we haven't completed any or we haven't accepted any. So I'm assuming the next piece of this is to accept the challenge.
So scroll through them, see if there's maybe any bench pressing challenges, something you've done already, maybe.
It would be nice. I think this is a feature too. Maybe there's a search bar that shows you what kind of.
I'll ask that
what kind of
questions at
challenges.
the end about the final comments.
Oh, okay. What
So
if it's nice?
just try accepting a challenge.
I'm gonna do 100 push-ups a day. Look.
Where'd it go?
Okay, so it looks like from August 5th to August 12th. And I accept this challenge, and then I can mark when I have completed this.
So try completing the challenge. See what happens.
Okay. Let's mark this. All right, so it looks like I marked it on the 9th.
How are you going to complete this challenge?
It looks like I accepted the challenge and I marked the day where it was done, which was today.
So how many days are done?
It's only one day
And out of how many?
out of 5. So this challenge is only until the August 5th to 12th. So if I mark another date, the 9th, 10th, mark this day as done. And then if I go to the next day, or you know what? Since today's the 9th.
Assume you did all the workouts. So how many you mark all the number of days needed? How many days you have left now? It says.
It shows, according to the goal, completing 4 days, and I've done 3 out of 4.
Did you notice that while you were adding the days?
No, my eyesight was honed in on the calendar. I think this could have been a little easier
So
done.
was it noticeable, the status change for that?
Well, once you brought that to my attention, it was really noticeable, and it was really nice to see how many days I've done it for. Since for
Okay, but it was not but the entire time until I told you, you did not notice that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
try completing this.
Got it.
You can go a bit faster.
All right.
Oh wow.
Now I have.
What happened?
It got moved to the done section, so I completed the challenge.
So now try to propose a challenge. Now that you accepted someone else's.
You're right. Let's see the other challenges. Okay. Let's take it up a notch. Can't stand one word.
Okay, you can go faster.
I'm trying as fast as I can, brother. So only things for this week.
So what are you saying in this challenge? What does the challenge mean?
So you gotta do 1,000 one-handed handstand push-ups by this week, and complete on how many days? We're completing it within 4 days. So you have 4 days to complete 1,100 push-ups within this week, and I'm gonna post that challenge. So it's 250 one-handed handstand push-ups.
Oh, nice.
And I posted it. And it shows in the open challenges now what the date, the goal to complete within 4 days, and now it's open for every other people to accept it.
Can you try? Are you able to delete it? Can you try to delete it?
So it's there where it says accept challenge. It shows a deletion.
Nice.
Yeah. So would you like me to delete the challenge?
Yes, that is a task.
Let's delete it. Delete this challenge. Okay. All right. So now let's scroll up.
Okay, so now that we went through all the different tasks, like making a pack, logging a workout, and you saw that once you logged a workout, how it showed up with your PRs. You were able to see the history of these workouts. Then we kind of walked you through the dashboard section, which showed you a lot of the packs, and then seeing what are the active packs, the pending ones, the closed ones, and then try to make a pack with someone. And then we looked at the unique challenges section too, as well. So now that after all the tasks are done, let's do a few quick ratings on a Likert scale. So 1 to 5, 1 being not at all and 5 being extremely. You answer these questions. So there's no right answer. If something's frustrating, you say so. That's what's really gonna help me. So just take take some time, but not too long time when you answer these questions. The first question: how effective was the application for registering an account?
It was very easy, very effective. So I would say 5 out of 5 in effectiveness.
How intuitive or easy was it for logging a workout?
Very fast and easy as well. So I would say that's 5 on that scale.
Okay. How intuitive, easy was it to review and correct the history of the workout itself?
It was super easy. Click of a button. 5.
So take intuitive as well, as if I didn't tell you how to do these tasks. So next question, task 4. How intuitive or easy was it to understand and accept a pact?
To accept the pact, yeah, that was easy.
Like sort of understanding, accepting, kind of from the website, knowing what a pact is and accepting it.
Oh, got it. So understanding a pact, it would be nice to have maybe a definition or short blurb on what a pact is, maybe on the Make a Pact site, or the Make a Pact page. It would be really easy to understand what a pact was.
So what's your number for understanding and accepting a pact as a one question?
That's a 2.
How how intuitive or easy was it to start a pact with someone new?
That was also a 2. It was really hard to understand. I had typed just one letter to find new users. And I didn't have a list of already friends that, maybe would have made it easier if they just had the friends listed in the first place.
Okay. Understood. How intuitive or easy was it to take on and post a challenge?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? I had no idea what you just said there.
I'm sorry. How intuitive or easy was it to take on and post a challenge?
Impose a challenge.
Post a challenge.
I
Post.
oh to post the challenge. I
To,
feel like
like
it
to.
was easy to post a challenge, but I would like it if there's a search function for the challenge. To
Oh,
see
okay.
find open
That's.
challenges.
Mm,
Hmm.
it's noted. Let me note that down.
Yeah, please do.
Um,
Maybe
so, how effective was the application? What was the number, by the way, for that? How easy to take on and post a challenge?
I would say a two.
Um,
Oh, you know what? You know what? I'd say a three. I was three. It's a three for sure.
I'll go by what you said initially because we don't want to coerce anything.
God, I just don't want to hurt your feelings. That's it.
How effective was the application overall? From a one to five.
1 to 5. Effectiveness of the application, I think it does the job well. There could be some fixes, minor tweaks here and there, but I
We'll
would
come to
say
that,
four.
but just 1 to 5.
Four.
Okay. So, what are the final comments? Like, what are things like? Would you actually use this? And also, if you could change one thing about what would it be? Sort of, kind of list off free of consciousness. What comes on your mind?
Yeah, I would use this with my gym buddies. I think going through a gym, you make a lot of friends, so this is really nice. And then you get to see their progress, you can see my progress, you can compare it, and then you can have progress with other people and create challenges for others. I think this is a very useful and meaningful app that can help bring the gym community together, and then together like this. And then I think the app looks very simplified. It would be nice if there was some color palettes to it, or some coloring. It's like some easy to the eye instead of the white and black ish. That's going on. Labels are also a little small on the edge, so like you have these big text boxes, but small labels on open and active, especially for people who are a little older going to the gym, might be a little small for them. Look at. And like I said about the making a pack, maybe having a definition there would be very helpful to understand what a pact is and what the pact is in general. Maybe on the profile or actually on the dashboard section, maybe having a little blurb on what this application really is could also be helpful. Maybe in the login or registration page too. So give people a clue as to like what they're looking into, what are they registering into, would be very beneficial. But other than that, good job, champ. I think this is a well-deserved app that there's recognition across all gym communities.
Okay, wow, that was a lot of things that you had said about it, and it's really helpful. You know, everything you're saying is to just really critique this application to its core, and to understand the nitty gritty of this entire thing.
Of course, the nitty gritty of it. Oh, there's another comment I would love to add here. Maybe when you accept a pack, maybe there's a comment section, where you can it'd be really helpful to have a little chat function where you can, call each other out for the challenges. I think that'd be really cool too.
Oh, so you want this to be more sociable with other people?
Yes, exactly. So the world today, as I see it, is more of a social construct, right? So everyone is on the net, on IG, DMing each other, So I think that'd be very, very cool and hip to do.